Dave Ramsey has done the miraculous by building wealth, losing it all, then rebuilding it properly with amazing frugal living habits. To find out how he did this, we researched and found 8 Dave Ramsey's top frugal living habits to save money the fastest that you can start practicing in your life today. Number 1. Free yourself from debt. If there's anything that Dave Ramsey talks about aggressively, it's getting rid of debt. From his personal experience and the great amount of research he's done on millionaires, debt is one of the easiest ways to lose money the fastest. Fortunately, a frugal living habit can help you steer clear of debt and save money fast. You can do this by either paying off any existing debt you have or preventing yourself from building up any new debt. For example, imagine you focus on paying off the biggest debt anyone can have, a home. Once you manage to pay off your home, then a huge chunk of your paycheck is clear and can be put immediately into savings. In no time, this frugal living habit will get you to the wealthy ranks that Dave Ramsey currently resides in. Number 2. Have no spend days. Saving money doesn't just mean putting money away, but also reducing the amount you spend. One of the frugal living habits that Dave Ramsey uses is to have no spend days. The easiest and most effective way to make use of no spend days is to pick a day of the week when you don't spend on any single purchase. This will have an effect on your life that's much greater than saving money too. For instance, experiencing several days over the course of a few weeks where you don't spend will help you see life apart from spending. This can help you enjoy your life more and enjoy what you already have. The effect of this frugal living habit bleeds into your life so that you can appreciate the money you earn more and have an easier time resisting impulsive purchases. Number 3. Start cooking at home. Having a homemade meal is one of the best experiences that anyone can have. Not to mention that it's one of the best frugal living habits to save money. Dave Ramsey is also a very big fan of cooking at home when you're trying to build wealth that'll last you for the rest of your life. Of course, you may feel intimidated to start cooking from home, or you may be wondering if this frugal living habit is actually worth it. The truth is that when you eat at a restaurant, you end up paying more for workers making and serving your food than for the actual food itself. If you were to make that meal at home yourself, it's likely you'll find it to be anywhere between 2 to 4 times cheaper. Number 4. Avoid those coffee shops. It's hard to find anyone who doesn't drink coffee in the morning. Unfortunately, the irresistible taste and effects of this marvelous drink can sometimes cloud your frugal living habits. So, get on board with Dave Ramsey and start brewing your coffee right from your own home. It's extremely inexpensive to do this, and you can even explore trying different coffee beans and blends to suit your taste. Number 5. Reduce your grocery bill. Grocery bills are typically one of the major expenses on anyone's budget. However, this expense changes month to month, and it's very easy to underestimate how much you actually spend. Dave Ramsey is keen on giving extra leeway on your grocery bill budget until you get a firm understanding of your tendencies and habits. After you figure out your spending after 3 to 6 months, then you can focus on reducing your grocery bill to only what you need. This frugal living habit can help you save money extremely quickly and still get you all the food that you need to live. Number 6. Sell items you don't need. It's common to have items in your home that are dormant and not currently in use. But how many of those items do you feel like you'll never use again? If you don't have an answer, then it's best to do a quick scan of your home and take any item you honestly don't need and sell it. Dave Ramsey has a saying that goes, "If it doesn't make you happy, then sell it." The frugal living habit of selling anything you don't use doesn't just clear up space in your home, but it can help you get an extra payment which can be used to save some extra money. Who doesn't want money from selling old items? Number 7. Take advantage of rewards points. Rewards points are everywhere these days, and they're extremely easy to sign up for. There are many rich people who are fans of rewards points and coupons, and Dave Ramsey is one of them. You could sign up for the browser app Honey, which automatically searches for deals and coupons on websites where you want to make purchases. There are tons of apps that give cashback rewards, and it's likely that most stores you shop at have their own rewards points to help you either get free things, discounted prices, or special offers. You don't want to pass this frugal living habit up since it only takes minutes to sign up and can help you save money fast. Number 8. Go over your subscriptions. This decade is all about subscriptions to all sorts of networks. Whether that be Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Spotify, or Disney+, the list is endless, but the amount of money you spend on these things can be monstrous. Dave Ramsey strongly recommends the frugal living habit of going over your subscriptions and cancelling any automatic subscriptions. Firstly, it's important to make sure that any subscription you have is something you use several times a week, so it's worth what you spend. Secondly, it's good to cancel any automatic subscriptions because you'll only pay for a subscription again if you really need to use it.